Hello guys, welcome to According to Joel. Bienvenidos according to Joel. Para mi gente. Guys, I just wanna freaking thank you. Every one of you who follows me on Instagram, everyone who sends messages, who mentions me on their stories. Really thank you. Of course, anyone that's subscribed on here, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please do the little bell thing so you can get a notification when I do a new video. This way you can learn how to do things on the car. I might answer any questions that you have about my car that you can do to yours. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. This video is for two things. Number one, it's to let you guys know that we are doing a giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers. You know, that's a magic number on YouTube. So once we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I think we're almost halfway there. I will be selecting a lucky dude or dudette on here from my subscribers with one condition. Well, two actually. One, you have to be a subscriber of the channel. And two, you have to share one of your favorite videos or more on your Facebook, on your Instagram, whatever platform you use. And then just tag me or tag the channel or give a shout out, whatever you want to do. That way I know that you guys have shared it and you're helping to spread the love on it. The other thing would be this video is also to show you guys, because I get a lot of requests asking me about the video showing the sound clips of the Resonator Delete. So just keep in mind two things, guys. My car is not stock. It's got a bunch of mods, as you already know, but also it has the Resonator Delete for the intercooler piping, and it also has a custom intake snorkel that kind of comes out to the bumper in the front where the grill is. So a little more turbo noises. Not only that, but it also has the Type R inlet, which doesn't have a little resonator that the stock Accord inlet does. So my car is probably going to be a lot louder for the turbo noises than your car would be, unless you have these mods. So keep that in mind. But doing the Resonator Delete and having the PRL high volume intake will definitely increase your turbo whooshies, as I call them. So anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Some cool sounds in there. Sorry I wasn't wearing my seatbelt. I was just testing some stuff from K-Tuner. And I figured I'd get some on video as well for you guys. So without further ado, enjoy the video, subscribe, share this video, send it to your friends, and drop a comment below. Thank you. All right, boys and girls, maybe you can hear the turbo noises on this video. So it's kind of a quiet street. So I'm gonna try it, okay?